Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a post private on Reddit application. Keep watching the video till the end. To make a post private on Reddit, firstly open your Reddit application. The home page of Reddit will appear on the screen. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on My Profile option and then tap on Edit. On the next page, at the end, slide the slider of the content visibility and show active communities to the left side to turn it off. Turn the slider off and you will be able to make your post private on Reddit application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.